Fire and rescue vehicle name sounds. Fire engine. Fire engine, the most classic firefighting vehicle, carrying firefighters, hoses, and rescue equipment. It's the first hero to rush into fires in houses, offices, or factories in urban areas. Air tanker. Air tanker, a smaller version of the super air tanker, more agile and flexible, used for medium or small forest fires, often works together with helicopters in wildfire missions.
Unloading so much.
Super air tanker. Super air tanker, a giant aircraft like the Boeing 747, modified to carry tens of thousands of liters of fire retardant. Ideal for large-scale forest fires that are hard to reach, especially in places like the US or Australia. Firefighting drone. Firefighting helicopter, a helicopter equipped to drop water or fire retardant from above. Very effective in mountainous areas or near residential zones affected by forest fires. Firefighting drone. Firefighting drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle that scouts fires from above, detects hotspots, and can even carry mini fire extinguishers to put out fires in hard-to-reach places like rooftops. Firefighter ATV. Firefighter ATV, a small all-terrain vehicle that easily moves through forests, beaches, or large parks. Great for small wildfires or fires in ecotourism zones.
The big wind fire truck. The big wind fire truck is a unique firefighting vehicle that uses jet engines mounted on a tank chassis to blast water or foam at extreme force, making it highly effective for extinguishing massive oil and industrial fires.
Fire Mobile Command Center. Fire Mobile Command Center, a mobile command center where fire chiefs coordinate all firefighting forces, including helicopters, planes, and ground vehicles during major incidents like industrial fires or wildfires. Fire and rescue bus. Fire and rescue bus, a converted bus used to evacuate people from fire zones and transport rescue equipment. commonly seen during fires in apartment complexes or densely populated neighborhoods. Wildland fire engine. Wildland fire engine, a specialized fire engine for fighting forest fires. Equipped with high-pressure water systems and large tires, often with a self-defense system if surrounded by fire. Smoke exhaust fire truck. Smoke exhaust fire truck, a vehicle designed to extract smoke from large buildings, underground spaces or malls, helps reduce toxins and improve visibility for firefighters. Firefighter Motorcycle. Firefighter Motorcycle, a motorcycle equipped with a small fire extinguisher and first aid kit, perfect for weaving through narrow streets or traffic jams to reach the fire quickly. Fire ambulance. Fire ambulance, an ambulance specifically designed for firefighters or fire victims, often equipped with cooling systems and breathing support. First responder vehicle. First responder vehicle, the first vehicle to arrive at the scene to evaluate the fire, provide basic response, and relay information to larger units. Airport crash tender. Airport crash tender, a special fire truck for airports, equipped to spray foam rapidly and deal with airplane fires, always on standby during emergency landings. Amphibious fire vehicle. Amphibious fire vehicle, an amphibious fire truck that can operate on both land and water, suitable for flood zones, swamps, or ports during a fire emergency. Firefighting robot. Firefighting robot, a remote-controlled firefighting robot designed to enter dangerous areas like chemical warehouses or basements. Reduces risk to human lives. Water tanker fire truck. Water tanker fire truck, a water-carrying truck that supports other fire engines when there's no nearby water supply, essential in rural areas or large-scale fires. Command fire vehicle. Command fire vehicle, a small command vehicle used by fire team leaders to arrive early, assess the situation, and make initial decisions. Compact but plays a key leadership role. Hazmat response unit. Hazmat response unit, used in fires involving chemicals, radiation, or hazardous substances. This vehicle protects firefighters and helps contain dangerous materials from spreading. Fire and rescue van. Fire and rescue van, a multi-purpose van carrying basic firefighting and rescue tools, useful for small fires, vehicle fires, kitchen fires, or initial medical assistance. Fire and rescue hovercraft. Fire and rescue hovercraft. A hovercraft used in mud, sandbanks, or shallow water areas, ideal for coastal, island, or flood-prone regions. Firefighting boat. Firefighting boat, a firefighting vessel used on rivers, lakes, or the sea to extinguish fires on cargo ships, oil tankers, or waterside warehouses, equipped with high-powered water cannons.
With an endless capability of pumping over 40,000 gallons of water per 20-story.
Fire ladder truck. Fire ladder truck, a fire truck with an extendable ladder used to reach high floors in buildings, crucial for modern cities with tall apartment buildings. Urban search and rescue vehicle. Urban search and rescue vehicle, used in building collapses, earthquakes, or large fires where people are trapped, equipped with cutting tools, life detectors, and heavy lifting equipment.